So this one's called Another Day. It was called Love Yourself, and then we realised Justin Bieber had already got there.
I think we should have kept it. It might have got more hits. Accidental hits, though.
Yeah, we used to have angry Bieber fans. Back off, girls!
You pass the humour for aggression. You gently lose your grip. I see through holes with intuition. As I gently take a sip, it's just a voice out there. Desperation and despair, clutching around at any cost to catch the love you know you've lost. And now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You've got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You took me by the reins, you helped manipulate this brain till the coldness and the taking, and you made me go insane. And I cannot and I will not be the cost of victory. Lift you up if I was strong enough, if I didn't care for me. Now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You've got to love yourself before you can love anybody. To never feel alone. Take the love you feel, give it back to those you know. You pass the humor for aggression. As you gently lose your grip, I see through holes with intuition. As I gently take a step, it's just a voice out there. Desperation and despair, clutching round at any cost to catch the love you know you've lost. And now it's here, a change of mind. Keep looking at the light, let the shadows fall behind. Here comes another day, another chance for you to find your way. Take this opportunity, this turning point to prove you can be brave. You've got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You've got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. Thank you.